Are you ready to get more customer leads for your window cleaning business? Today, we're diving into 7 simple tips to help your local window cleaning business shine brighter and attract more customers. Let's get started. All right, first things first, who doesn't love a good deal? Offer introductory rates or bundle services for first-time customers. First clean discount or neighbor bundle, where discounts apply if they refer a neighbor, can also help spread the word pretty fast. Next, be sure to show off your shine. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Showcase your work, especially before and after photos on social media and on your website. Especially in your Mighty Sites website, you can connect your Instagram or you can connect a gallery and show before and after photos. These will help your results attract eyeballs and drive the traffic for potential customers. That's what people are doing. Even when they've been referred to your business, they want to go online and see examples of your work. Make it easy for them to see before and after photos on social media and on your Mighty Sites website. Get glowing testimonials. Happy customers are your best advocates. Encourage reviews and testimonials. Display them proudly on your website, on social media, and on your Google business profile. As you do this, watch trust in your business grow. And also, it's going to help your search engine rankings, especially the reviews that you get on Google Business Profile. So keep those reviews flowing. Next, partner up with local businesses. Networking is key. Partner with local businesses to offer exclusive deals, whether it's a coffee shop or hardware store. Partnerships can lead to referrals and increased visibility in your community. If you have a strategic partner or potential business partner, don't be afraid to offer them a discounted service so that when people see the work you've done there, they're asking who does it and they can refer them to you, which they'll be happy to do because you partnered with them in the first place. So referrals and local business partnerships, think about who you can connect with that'll help refer business to you, and you can refer business back to them in turn. Tip number 5, utilize door hangers and flyers. Sometimes the old ways are the best. You can canvas local neighborhoods with door hangers and flyers. Make sure they're eye-catching, clear, and convey the value that you bring. Next, don't make the mistake of just using your name, your personal name. Create a memorable brand. Stand out with a catchy name, a memorable logo, and consistent colors across your website, your marketing materials, your brochure. A strong brand, and the reason people do that in the first place, it helps stick in your customer's mind. It'll help them look you up later, it'll help them find you or refer you. It makes it easier than just using your own personal name. Have a strong brand. That's website, logo, colors, name, that'll help people remember your window cleaning business. Tip number 7, lock in repeat business with a maintenance schedule. So offer discounts for customers who book regular cleanings. This ensures ongoing work and a steady stream of income for you. With these 7 simple tips, your window cleaning business will not only attract more customers, but build a sparkling reputation. Be sure to subscribe and like this video for more great content to help you build up your window cleaning business. If you don't have a website, check out Mighty Sites. It's only $9 a month. The link is right below for you to get started with a free trial and see if that's right for you for marketing your window cleaning service.